The holiday train show is a tradition here at the New York Botanical Gardens and something I've always wanted to explore. Well, today I get to do just that, and I get to take you inside for a sneak peek.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, the fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbying. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
It's the 28th year of the train show. It gets bigger and bigger and better, and every year we tweak it a little bit. So this year we have a bigger pavilion for the train show. So of our 175 buildings, and they're all made out of acorns and twigs and bark and little pieces of nature. They're completely natural. The idea is that you can walk through a miniature wonderland of all five boroughs, too, all five boroughs of New York in the space of about an hour, and it's so much fun.
Over 2,000 free tickets were given to the public to enjoy opening day at the Holiday Train Show and to see the lighting of the Christmas tree and menorah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We try to be as inclusive as possible. Everybody said Happy Kwanzaa too, so that was part of it as well, and I didn't want to forget that. But we really try, and everybody is welcome here, and this is a garden for everyone. And we've had families coming. We've seen families grow up with us every year and take their picture at the holiday tree, so it's really been an incredible evening to start off the holiday train show.
The Holiday Train Show will be riding through our borough all the way till January 26th. To find out more details, just log on to nybg.org. For Bronxnet, I'm Veronica Güity.